Morning folks, Kevin here. Well, it's June 10th, 2018, and today's another adventure in the eastern garden plot, which is really divided up into a few areas. The one area that over there that we had already got planted a couple of days ago with the red cabbage, the cauliflower, and the broccoli, and the red onions. And then yesterday we worked over here on the hoop trellis and a bed going alongside of the strawberry beds as well. This is another bed that we let just go ahead. I didn't cover it this spring, and we let a lot of the plants go to self-seed. So I've got to harvest some hyssop and some chamomile today. So I'm going to harvest both of those. Then I'm going to cut those plants back and transplant them out into the food forest and see how that all works out. So that'll be one of the first things that I do. And then I've got to pull all the weeds and get this bed ready as well, and then the one behind the rain gutter garden. So that's the proposed agenda. Thea's gonna finish up doing her chores and then come over here, and yesterday she got the butternut squash transplanted into the hoop trellis that's made from T-posts and cattle panels. And next she's going to bring some of the other plants from the work area over and get those started as well. So the day begins. Let's see what we can get done. Well, we've made a little more progress today. Well, we made a significant amount of progress today. Got more plants transplanted. Thea did a really good job. So inside of the hoop trellis here, we've got right at the base, right where Glinda's sitting down here, there's some chives that we salvaged from one of the other beds. Butternut squash along the margin out there. Alternating celery and chard going around, and then this inner row down here is some red onions all the way around in here. So Thea worked really hard getting all those in today. I believe these are all our Zephyr squash that got planted. This was a bed worked on yesterday trying to get all this set. So I just asked Thea, so planted on the outside along in here is the Northern Roaster, I think it's candy, pumpkin, or squash. It's an heirloom variety and it grows pretty big. These are packed in here pretty dense, but they're supposed to be very good. I'm looking forward to harvesting those. I used the Jang seeder today after getting all the weeds out of here and planted some light red kidney beans all along in this bed, a couple rows here. And Thea's finishing up right now getting some more red onions along the margin, which will be shaded by some of the kidney beans. But what the heck, we'll see if we get some onions at it. We'll gobble those up when they're small. Also over here, I just took the excavator and scooped out a little bit of the wood chips and the soil that have been breaking down over the last couple of years from the wood chips. Got that out of there, and I'll move some of the soil that's in the IBCs and put that in here and put some drip lines down and get some more plants started. Well folks, that wraps up our daily tasks that we got done today. Pretty satisfied with how much we got done. I'm a little bit sore still and tuckered out. I'm really looking forward to getting the automated watering system started so I'm not getting up so early and staying up so late doing that as well. So if you thought this was of some value, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, hit the bell icon if you want to be notified when we post another video. And by all means, folks, have a fantastic day. Take care and get your rest. Bye-bye now.